the sub-250G drone market is about to be completely flipped upside down. If you thought the Mini 5 Pro was the peak of ultra-lightweight aerial cinematography, you might want to hold on to your wallets. Massive, highly credible leaks have just dropped regarding the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro, and let me tell you, DJI is not holding back. We are talking about a true 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, jaw-dropping 6K video resolution, and a revolutionary miniaturized LiDAR system that literally gives this drone night vision. For professional creators and travel vloggers in the US, the UK, Canada, and Australia, this could be the ultimate holy grail, a drone that bypasses strict FAA and CAA regulations without sacrificing a single drop of cinema-grade quality. But there is a massive catch regarding its official release date and the premium price tag, which we will reveal at the very end of this video. So, if you want to know whether you should upgrade right now or wait, do not click away. Welcome back to TechVibe, your ultimate destination for the most authentic, in-depth tech deep dives and hardware leaks. We cut through the noise to bring you the real specs and the honest truth so you can make the smartest gear investments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today, we are breaking down the absolute beast that is the DJI Mini 6 Pro. Let's kick things off with the most groundbreaking upgrade that has everyone in the filmmaking community talking right now, the camera. For years, the biggest compromise with the Mini lineup has been sensor size. While previous generations gave us excellent imagery, they always struggled just a bit in low light and dynamic range when compared to the heavier Mavic 3 series. According to the latest 2026 FCC filings and supply chain leaks, the DJI Mini 6 Pro is officially stepping up to a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. This is a monumental engineering achievement for a drone that weighs less than an average smartphone. But it gets better. DJI is reportedly including a variable aperture ranging from f/1.7 to f/11. If you are a professional shooter, you know exactly why this is a game changer. No more constantly landing your drone to swap out ND filters every time the clouds shift or the sun goes down. You will have precise control over your depth of field and exposure right from your controller, making daytime shooting incredibly seamless. And then there is the video resolution. The leaks are pointing straight towards 6K video recording at 30 frames per second, alongside 5.1K at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second. Having 6K resolution on a sub-250G drone gives you an insane amount of flexibility in post-production. You can crop into your footage, reframe your shots for vertical platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, and still export a razor-sharp 4K final product. Beyond the sensor, there are loud whispers of a new 360-degree gimbal roll technology. Imagine being able to shoot true vertical video natively, but also having the freedom to do full barrel rolls and dynamic FPV-style sweeps without the gimbal locking up. This hybrid capability bridges the gap between standard cinematic drones and the FPV market. But a great camera is utterly useless if you end up crashing your brand new drone into a tree. This brings us to the second massive leak, the brand new obstacle avoidance system. Previous generations gave us omnidirectional sensing, which was great, but it relied heavily on optical cameras. This meant that if you were flying in low light or total darkness, your obstacle avoidance was essentially blind. Enter the new miniaturized LiDAR nightscape system. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature a micro-LiDAR scanner that maps its surroundings using laser pulses rather than just visual light. This means you get full, 360-degree omnidirectional obstacle avoidance even in pitch-black conditions. Imagine being able to confidently fly complex tracking shots through a dense forest at dusk, or navigating urban environments at night without the paralyzing fear of clipping a stray wire or branch. The AI creative tracking algorithms are also getting a massive bump, utilizing this LiDAR data to predict subject movement behind obstacles with zero hesitation. Next, we have to talk about how you are actually going to control this thing, because DJI is upgrading the transmission system to O5. The new O5 system is designed to provide a bulletproof 25-kilometer range. Now, we LL know that under FAA and CAA rules, you must legally maintain a visual line of sight with your drone. So, why does a 25-kilometer range even matter? It matters because of signal penetration. If you are flying in heavily congested areas like New York, London, or Sydney, the airwaves are flooded with Wi-Fi and radio interference. Older transmission systems would stutter or drop out even just a few hundred feet away when flying around skyscrapers or metal structures. The O5 system, backed by new dual-band antennas, ensures a rock-solid, latency-free 1080p 60 frames per second video feed to your controller, no matter how much interference is around you. You will feel totally connected to the drone, which is essential for executing precise, cinematic maneuvers over water or difficult terrain. Now, let us discuss the battery life, because this specific leak genuinely sounds like science fiction. Keeping a drone under 250 grams means you are severely limited by the physical weight of the battery. However, DJI has reportedly partnered with top-tier energy firms to develop a new high-density cell architecture for the Mini 6 Pro. The rumors suggest that the new extended high-energy battery could push the flight time to a staggering 60 minutes. Even if real-world conditions like wind resistance and sport mode bring that down to around 45 to 50 minutes, that is still entirely unheard of for a drone in this weight class. You could theoretically send the drone up to capture the entire duration of a golden hour sunset on a single battery, without the anxiety of a low battery warning ruining your shot. Why is all of this so critical for creators specifically in the United States and other premium markets? It all comes down to regulation. The FAA has strict rules regarding remote ID and drone registration for anything weighing 250 grams or more. In Europe, the EASA regulations dictate where you can fly based on the drone's weight class, often restricting heavier drones from flying near people or urban areas. The DJI Mini 6 Pro bypasses all of this red tape. By keeping this absolute powerhouse under that crucial weight limit, DJI is giving Part 107 professionals and serious hobbyists alike a tool that they can pull out of a backpack and legally fly in far more locations without the bureaucratic headache. It is the ultimate stealth cinema camera for the modern creator. So, when can you get your hands on the DJI Mini 6 Pro, and how much is it going to hurt your bank account? Based on the historical release cycles and the current velocity of these 2026 supply chain leaks, we are looking at an official announcement in late Q3 of this year, likely around September. As for the pricing, integrating a 1-inch stack sensor and a micro-LiDAR system is absolutely not cheap. The standard base package without the screen controller will likely start around $949, while the highly coveted Fly More combo with the DJI RC3 controller and those new 60-minute batteries is expected to retail for around $1,399. Yes, it is a premium price tag, but you are essentially getting the professional capabilities of a heavy-duty Mavic 3 packed into a drone that fits in the palm of your hand. If you are currently holding onto a Mini 3 or Mini 4 Pro, this is the exact generational leap you have been waiting to spend your money on. But we want to hear from you. Does the addition of a 1-inch sensor and LiDAR make the Mini 6 Pro an instant pre-order for you, or is the rumored price tag pushing the limits of the Mini lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below, because we read every single one. Thank you so much for tuning in to TechVibe. If this deep dive gave you the insights you were looking for, smash that like button, and do not forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the bleeding edge of tech. Keep creating, stay ahead of the curve, and we will see you in the next video.